morning guys, it's Kiana and welcome back to my channel. So today's Friday and I'm super excited because I'm actually going on a hike with my friend Paul. I went to go run some stairs yesterday and felt so good. I've really missed working out, so it's the start of a new era. But yeah, today I have a really busy day because I have so much to start packing. This video is my moving out vlog. Like my whole room is literally still here. I just have a lot to do and I have to do this all this weekend, and you guys are gonna go through this whole process of me moving out of my apartment because I'm gonna be moving into a new location next semester and I'm pretty pumped. So yeah. Okay, well that's it for now. I think my friend's here to pick me up, so see you guys later. Also, here's my outfit of the day. I got on my sdsu tank top, which I'm actually really happy about. Like, I got this when I did a partnership with sdsu and Open Road Snacks. I got this cute tank top and I never thought I'd actually wear it, but I really like how it looks. It's actually just like a really nice workout tank top. And then I'm wearing my favorite Lululemon yoga pants, which I get a lot of questions about. I actually found them on sale at Lululemon, so they're very inexpensive. Honestly, I get so many compliments on them because they have like the mesh detailing right there and they make the booty look more apparent, I guess. I don't have a butt, so we'll take what we can get. Then I just have on my white Nikes. I have a dirty pair and then I have like a new pair over here. I know, I'm crazy. It has been quite a while since I finished my hike, but I've been just catching up on things that I haven't finished yet. But it's like 10 o'clock already and I was supposed to pack a lot of things, but as you can tell, I've literally done nothing. I made some tea. I'm drinking a lot of water right now. I'm just trying to stay hydrated. Yeah. So I cleared out this drawer. Cleared out this drawer, making progress. Good morning guys. So I'm here with Megumi and we're actually gonna move into our new house today. We're actually just checking it out and we're grabbing the keys. We're really excited to see it. The first time we toured it.
Oh yeah, that's true.
But it was kind of messy, but it's finally clean now, so we're gonna go check it out once Jill comes to give us the keys. But we're really excited. I'm gonna pick out my room. Hello. So we've been looking at the house and I've been trying to figure out which room I want, but I think I'm gonna take this one because it just has like the best natural light because we got the door to the outside. Probably gonna get some new curtains because these aren't gonna cut it. Guys, I'm excited about our kitchen. We have white cabinets. I got the sink, dirty window, and then dining area. We'll probably put a table here, which I'm super excited about. Probably gonna thrift one or get something from Craigslist. Then my favorite part, we have our big family room. Yeah, look, this is like a super roomy thing. We're gonna have like our couch, or maybe their TV. So here's our backyard. We got the chairs from the old tenants. What's going on here?
Okay, so apparently we have a magical wonderland in our backyard. So we'll keep you guys updated.
We have our shed. We're college students, so as you can tell, things are not updated. People still have to do renovations on this place because there are a pretty decent amount of damages, so people are gonna be fixing the house while I'm not here. It's time to deconstruct my picture wall. Such a sad time.
Put a man in first, I just saw him.
Hey guys, how's it hanging? So good morning. It is actually Monday morning and I'm heading to Cox's internet place. I don't like saying that. Basically, I have to like show them our lease because the old tenants didn't cancel their internet Wi-Fi stuff, so I'm going there just to get that all settled. And Tuya came back, so we're gonna be going to brunch soon. We're gonna have one last hurrah before I go home. Yes, that is the plan for today. We got internet, folks.
We out here!
What's up, you guys? So it is actually like 6 p.m. right now. Wrapping up the move out process. I've basically cleared out almost everything. I do still have to take off some things off my wall, like the lights, and then also like deconstruct my bed. But besides all of that stuff, something came in the mail recently and I'm literally so excited about it, and I really wanted to unbox it on camera. And this is the FabFitFun Summer Edition box and I'm freaking pumped. Also, before I get started, I just want to mention what FabFitFun is. It is a seasonal subscription box where you get beauty products, fitness products, skincare products, literally the whole shebang. It comes with like different stuff. You get to customize what you want in your box. Here it is. Super cute. They have like this whole tropical pattern going on, which I absolutely love. I love everything that's tropical. If you know me, that is my cup of tea. Catch me in Hawaii when I'm older if I can afford it. Let's jump right in because I'm pumped. The first thing in this box is the 111 Skin Harley St. London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Oh my gosh. Apparently these face masks are rose gold. Comes in a 5-pack, which is really nice. These look really high quality. I love face masks. I've definitely been trying to get more into skincare lately because I just want to like have healthy skin, healthy glowy skin. We're all about healthy glowy skin for summer. I'm very ecstatic about these. Just getting a view of everything so far. It looks like most of it's skincare. Summer is all about good skin and like less makeup, so I think that's what they did here on purpose. Okay, so it looks like the next thing I'm seeing in here is a Spray All Day Rose Spray, and this is Hydrating Rose Facial Spray from Grace and Stella. Comes in this super cute box. It kind of reminds me of like Glossier. Correct me in the comments. I really have no idea how to pronounce that brand. I have been really getting into facial sprays because I tend to like get sweaty, so it's nice to like mist off your face when you're feeling a bit uncomfortable. Y'all, look how cute this is. This is so pretty and it's pink. Probably smells amazing. Let's smell it. Ooh. She good. The next thing in this box is the Wish. This is the exfoliating foot mask. This has coconut milk and verbena. So this is supposed to smooth and soften and intensely hydrate. My feet actually do get kind of dry now that I think about it, so I think this will actually be cool to use. I've never used any foot products. Feet are honestly kind of weird and kind of gross. I'm not like scared of feet. I know some people think feet are really gross. They are kind of gross, but maybe this will make them less gross. I don't have gross feet though. I don't have gross feet. They're normal feet, I think. The next thing in here is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. First of all, this thing is freaking adorable. I really love clay masks. I actually had one from Trader Joe's and I loved it. This is gonna be really fun to put on. Another thing that I'm seeing in here is an eyeliner, and I've actually been really looking for a new thing that I can do winged eyeliner with because I never do anything funky with my makeup. As you can tell, I'm pretty basic. I've been wanting to get a pen felt tip liner, and this is what it's called, the Ico Liquid Eyeliner in black. Now we have two things that are actually from the same brand, and this is Sol de Janeiro, not sure, but I sound dumb saying this. This is the Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I'm starting to be more vigilant about whether my products have sulfates in them. But this is awesome, sulfate free, and it's a really good brand, and I'm super excited because it's a moisturizing shower gel, and my skin gets so dry when I shower. And also from that same brand, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which is actually super popular. It's supposed to tighten and firm your butt skin. That might sound weird, but it's just like supposed to kind of like tighten your skin, kind of decrease the cellulite appearance. You know what I mean? One more product in here that is like skincare related, and this is a refining micro polish from Intelligent Nutrients. I think this is basically the type of product that actually like scrapes off the dead skin cells, which I've been needing. My friend Megumi uses a polish like this and she loves it. Okay, so there are two more things in this box, and we have some jewelry. I love jewelry, and this is from Jennifer Zuner Jewelry, if that is how you pronounce it. Zuner. Comes in a little white pouch. A cute necklace. This one's really nice because it's very dainty, and I'm the type of person who doesn't like flashy jewelry really. And the last thing in this box is the Invisibobble Traceless Hair Rings, and these come in clear and a nude color. I've actually owned these before, but not this brand, and they work really well when you want to like put your hair up and not leave dents in it. So these will be nice for summer because I actually lost the ones that I had, so that's super cool. But yeah, it looks like that's everything in the summer edition box. It'll be fun to like experiment with new products. It's super affordable, and you get $200 value in each box. You can also use my code Kiana10 for $10 off your first box, which is a great deal. You're getting so much bang for your buck. So much bang for your buck. Now I have to finish packing. Let's get to it. Boba time. Kung Fu tea. Our last boba session of the season.
Of the season, yeah.
They're so friendly. Got the drinks.
Buy me a drink.
Oh wait. Don't hate on me for using a plastic straw. I don't have my own reusable ones, but I tried something new and I got brown sugar milk tea, half sweet. It's pretty fire.
I'm on the mile a minute.
Hi guys, so I've been on the road for quite some time now, like 5 or 6 hours now, losing my voice because I've been singing my heart and soul out in the car. Perks of driving alone, right? Excuse my mess. Also, not sure how I feel about these really reflective sunglasses. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my move out process. Hope it was interesting. If you guys want to see more content, definitely thumbs this video up. Let me know if you guys want vlogs, summer vlogs. I guess for now that's it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Have a great week, positive vibes. Let's go.